What's up guys, today we're doing a simple and inexpensive install on the Jeep today. So I ordered some door seal guards for our Jeep Wrangler. We went a more cost-effective route and ordered a set off Amazon. They're not Mopar brand, but they're very similar. So we've had several Jeeps, and all our Jeeps we've had these door guard seals. These look almost identical to the Mopar version, except they don't say Wrangler or Gladiator right here at the centers. The funny thing about these is when you flip it over, it gives you Mopar part numbers. So if you look these part numbers up, the first number gives you the set for the front, and the second number gives you the set for the full Mopar set. All right, so we didn't go with the Mopar ones, obviously. Those ones were about $100. These, at the time of buying this and filming this, these were about $24. So we thought we'd give these a shot. And if they suck, we're not out a lot of money, which is great. So we're gonna go out in the garage now and we're gonna get them installed. So this is the back side of the guards. It's a pretty simple installation. We just peel off the red backing and stick them on. There's really one tool for this job. It's just rubbing alcohol and a rag. I guess that makes it two things. Clean the area really well because you're using 3M tape to stick it down, so we want the area nice and clean. What I noticed, just like the factory Mopar version, there's a tiny little lineup arrow on it, identical to the Mopar one right here. This just helps you align it. But I thought it was kind of funny, it looks just like the Mopar one. So we take that lineup arrow right there, and then we're gonna line it to the middle of this section right here. So we get right there, and it looks like it'll be about right there. So when we stick it down, that's how we'll stick it. Super simple install. Peel the backing, press really hard, just stick it into place. It looks great. This is the rear one, it's a little guy. It also has that lineup arrow right here. And that arrow goes to the middle of this section right here. So you're just gonna line it up with that in the middle of that. Look just like this. Simple as that. Peel the backing off, stick it in place. Looks 10 times better. Repeat the process on the other side and you're done. If you need this for your Jeep, I'll leave it in the description below. Remember, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.